Welcome to my show Chill with Paru. அந்த கண்ணை பார்த்தாக்கா லவ் தானா தோனாதா. Yes, with me I have மாளவிகா மோகனன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டு இளைஞர்கள் குறிப்பா பசங்க வந்து இவங்க எப்போ ஃப்ரேம்க்கு வருவாங்க, இவங்க எப்போ டான்ஸ் ஆடுவாங்க, இவங்க எப்போ வந்து விஜய் சார் கூட வருவாங்க அப்படிதான் எல்லாருமே எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஹாய் மாளவிகா, how are you?
Hi Parvati, I'm good. That was a very very sweet welcome. Thank you.
Because நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த கண்ணை பார்த்தாக்கா பாட்டு கேட்கும்போது அது full and full உங்களுக்கான பாட்டு அப்படின்னு தான் நாங்க நினைச்சோம். Later on only we got to know it's for Vijay sir.
Even I thought that only.
So அந்த வருத்தம் எதுவும் இருந்ததா? ச்சே நமக்கு ஒரு பாட்டு இல்லையே அப்படின்ற மாதிரி எதுவும் தோணுச்சா உங்களுக்கு?
Next movie with Vijay sir.
அதுல வந்து
balance.
Nice. So anyway, many people would have asked you about this question. What was your first meet? What was the thought inside your head? Abdilla. I would like to know that only. What was the vibe around? What was the first thing that struck your head when you first saw Vijay sir?
When I first saw Vijay sir.
Yeah.
So I met him on the film's Puja day, first day. So he was I mean the way he was behaving, you know, the way he was like treating me, he's a complete gentleman.
Okay.
You know, like he'll make sure you sit first, only then he'll sit. He'll be like, you know, like he'll be very aware, he'll be very sweet, you know, very caring. So that was the first impression that I had of him. I was nervous, you know. He's like more than a superstar, no? Like he's an icon of our generation. So I was a little nervous meeting him, but he made me very comfortable.
ஆமா உங்களுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப கூலா இருந்தது. கொஞ்சம் உள்ளுக்குள்ள பதட்டம் இருந்தாலும் you were try to be cool, இல்ல?
I was actually cool only.
cool only. Nice. And இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா நம்ம எல்லாரும் விஜய் சார் வந்து பார்த்தோனே ஓகே நம்ம கொஞ்சம் பணிவா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்லாம் நினைப்போம். பட் தென் வந்து I would like to ask you, அந்த இமிட்டேட் நீங்கள் பண்ணணும் தளபதி விஜய. அவர் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட ஏதாவது கான்வர்சேஷன் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, லைக் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கான்வர்சேஷனோ ஏதோ ஒன்று, அந்த மேனரிசம் அந்த கெஸ்டர் அதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருந்தது? இட்ஸ் அ டாஸ்க் ஃபார் யூ. வில் யூ இமிட்டேட் தளபதி விஜய்?
I can't. He is வேற level. He keeps saying that. He keeps when he likes something, he says வேற level ma, வேற level. So
இது போதுமே.
That is.
உங்ககிட்ட பேசும்போது அதுதான் சொன்னாரா?
Yeah, if he likes a performance, if he likes a scene I've done, and you know, and he knows this is my second movie in Tamil. He knows I'm new, you know, so he tries to be encouraging. So if he likes a movie, a short or a scene I've done, he'd be like, வேற level ma, வேற level ma.
Full positivity தான்.
Full positivity. Very sweet.
நீங்க உங்க இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் போஸ்ட்ல மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க he is my 4am friend அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அப்போ 4am friendனாலே ஓகே இஸ் என்னது லேட் நைட் தான் தூங்குவாரு அப்படின்றது தெரியுது. Why is it that ஒரு 4am friend அப்படின்னு சொல்ற அளவுக்கு what kind of a bond is it?
Actually I meant that, you know, he can be my 4am friend if he didn't sleep that early.
Okay.
You know, and by 4am friend you mean somebody who's like who's a good friend, who's there for you, you know, like who'll help you out no matter what. And that is his personality, like not just with me, with everybody he considers a good friend.
Okay.
You know, with everybody he's fond of, he will go out of his way to help them out.
Okay.
You know, if they ask for something, if possible he will try to do it, you know, from his end. So he's that kind of a person. So I meant that, you know, even if I call him at 4am saying I need some help or something, he will help.
கண்டிப்பா ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாரு.
Yeah, he's that person.
Okay.
So that's what I meant.
As 4am friend.
Yeah.
ஓகே. அண்ட் இன்னொன்று என்னன்னா உங்களுடைய கேரக்டர், ஏன்னா நம்ம பேட்ட படத்தில் வந்து பார்த்துருக்கோம். அண்ட் அதே இது வந்து மாஸ்டர் படம் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது வந்து there will be an expectation because லோகேஷ் வந்து இவ்வளோ ஃபீமேல் கேரக்டர்ஸை வச்சு அவருடைய லைனப் ஆஃப் மூவிஸில் நாங்கள் பார்த்ததில்லை. ஸோ அதனால் உங்கள் கேரக்டர் எப்படி எமர்ஜ் ஆகிருக்கு?
In what sense?
ஆன் த ஹோல் நீங்கள் வந்து பார்க்கும்போது விஜய் சார் கூட வந்து பேரப் பண்ணும்போது யூ நோ ஹவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் த ஃபிலிம் வில் பி ஃபார் விஜய் சார். ஸோ ஹவ் ஆர் யூ ஈக்குவலி தேர் இன் த ஸ்கிரிப்ட் அண்ட் ஹவ் ஹஸ் இட் கம் அவுட்?
Like Parvati, one thing I've always like wanted to do as an actor is do good performance roles, even if it's, and the screen time doesn't matter.
Okay.
You know, Of course, if you have more screen time, great, awesome. But even if it's like small screen time, as long as it's an important character, no, that is what excites me as an actor. Even if it's like, even if I'm there in the full movie, but if I'm there chumma as an eye candy or just to look pretty or you know like that, there is nothing like I won't do a film like that. Because it's not exciting.
Okay.
So even in Peta, a lot of people asked me, you know, like, why did you do it was a small role, right? It was not like the main role. And in Peta, Rajni sir was the only one who had the main role. There was no like lead actress who had like
performance space.
Everybody had like, you know, small role. Yeah. So a lot of people asked me like, why did you do that role? And I keep saying that, you know, it was a small role, but I felt that like there were 1 or 2 scenes that I had in the film which were so important in the film. You know, like in the Peta flashback portion where my father character gets killed. And you know, like that whole scene that happens. It's such an amazing scene.
Adu or intense ana scene da.
Yeah, so I realized that even if it's 2 scenes where I can perform really well, you know, that is enough. And that worked for me, you know, like I got so much appreciation from Tamil industry, you know, actors, directors for that movie. So for Master, also it like when Lokesh narrated the script to me the first time, I was very, you know, I was pleasantly surprised and happy to know that it's a like it's an important character. It's not chumma character who comes, has one small love angle and goes. It's not like that, you know. She has something to contribute to the story. To where the movie is going. So you'll find out more on 13th January.
கண்டிப்பா. சோ நீங்க சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறமே நான் போய் பார்க்கறேன் அந்த ஆங்கிள்ல எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ வந்து உங்ககிட்ட பார்த்தோன்னே கேட்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் வந்து அந்த வீடியோ கால்ங்க. அந்த வீடியோ கால்ல நீங்க என்ன பேசுனீங்க? பிகாஸ் லாக்டவுன்ல வந்து தட் வீடியோ கால் அந்த ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்ஸ் வந்து இட் வென்ட் வைரல். சோ அது வந்து மேன் லாக்டவுன்ல எல்லாருமே வந்து டவுன் ட்ரிப்ல இருக்கும்போது எல்லாருமே வந்து அப்படியே லோவா இருக்கும்போது உங்க போட்டோஸ்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது இட் வாஸ் லைக் வெரி நைஸ். ஸோ என்ன பேசுனீங்க நீங்க முதல்ல?
So when the so we started shooting for Master around like October, November last year. Now full sense of time has gone because
of 2021 la irukrom.
2021 2019 November we started shooting for Master. November, December, January, February we finished the movie. Side by side editing, sound mixing, everything was happening. March audio launch happened. And April, like, you know, we were going to start movie promotions, and April 9 summer release, you know, that was the release date. So everything was so fast. And we finished the audio launch. It went really well. We were all very, very excited. And suddenly lockdown happened. Full pause, you know, that full momentum that we had got stopped overnight. And we were all in this Master mood. And we were all like missing the excitement. We were missing each other because we'd spent like 3 months, you know, 1 month in Delhi shooting, 2 months in Chennai. We'd spent so much time, and the whole team got along like, we became like a big group of friends, you know. So it wasn't just like go work, come back. It was like chilling and, you know, hanging out. So we started missing each other. So on lockdown, we were constantly in touch. So this was like, we decided, like, we were like, okay, 4 people. We would have called more people to the video call, but on FaceTime, I think it allows only 4. Yeah, maximum was 4. So we were like, okay, let's just say hi, hello. So that's how the video call happened. And we were like, what are you doing in the lockdown? You know, we were all asking each other for ideas how to kill time in the lockdown. And
what did Vijay sir say?
He was very bored in his house.
வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியாம இருந்திருக்காரா?
Yeah, he was very, very bored. We were all like fried, you know. Even Anirudh was so, he was like for the first time in like some 10 years, I'm getting this much free time. I don't know how to handle it. I don't know what to do. I'm not able to create music because he was, I think, he was locked down in his house. He couldn't go to the studio. So he had no instruments in his house and he couldn't make music. He was like, I don't know what to do.
Creator's block.
Yeah. He was like, I'm going crazy. I need to like do something. You know, so we were all discussing how everybody is coping with it. And we thought it'll be nice to like put out a screenshot just to show everybody that, you know, even we are at home, we are social distancing, we are you know.
அப்படிதான் அதான் அந்த போட்டோ தான் வந்து வைரல் ஆயிடுச்சு. அண்ட் அடுத்து இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா லைக் லோகேஷ் கனகராஜன், சாந்தனு இவங்க கிட்டலாம் நாங்க பேசும்போது they said one thing, விஜய் சார் யூஸ் டு டீஸ் எவ்ரி ஒன். லைக் வந்து செட்ல வந்து அவர் பாட்டு ஹில் பி சைலண்டாகவும் இருப்பாரு, அதே நேரத்தில் வில் அப்சர்வ் எவ்ரி திங். அண்ட் அப்பப்போ வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃபன்னி மூமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து இந்த டீஸ் பண்றது அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்லாம் நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாரு. ஸோ அதை மாதிரி ஏதாவது சம்பவங்கள் உங்களுக்கு நடந்திருக்கா? டிட் தட் ஹேப்பன் டு யூ? எனி மிமிக்ரி சம்பவங்கள்?
I think he teases boys more.
அதுல என்ன பாகுபாடு?
With girls, he's a gentleman. He's a little more shy when it comes to girls.
நிஜமாலேவா?
He's more teasing is for the boys.
Teasing is for the boys, not for the girls.
Not for the girls.
Okay. But
in fact, I think I used to tease him.
இது பாயிண்ட். சொல்லுங்க, அப்படி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
No, small things, you know. I used to chumma tease him and you know. Like even if I say something like, "Oh, you're looking very nice today," he gets very shy.
Okay.
So because he gets so shy, we would tease more. So then all of us, like 2-3, like all the the stylist and the costumer, like everybody, we all would be like, "Oh, looking very nice today," and he would be like,
ஓகேங்க அப்படின்றாரு.
So yeah, the teasing was opposite
from உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து.
Yes.
அண்ட் இன்னொரு ஒரு போட்டோ கூட வந்து வைரல் ஆச்சு. லைக் நீங்க இருப்பீங்க, அனிருத் இருப்பாங்க அண்ட் ஜெகதீஷ் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ நீங்க 4 பேர் மட்டும் இருக்கிற போட்டோ கூட வந்து அட் ஒன் மொமெண்ட் வந்து பயங்கர வைரல் ஆச்சு.
Which one?
One photo you guys would have released, like 4 பேர் மட்டும், yourself, Vijay sir, Jagdish and Anirudh. இந்த 4 பேர் மட்டும் இருக்கிற photo.
The video call screenshot, no?
There was also another photo.
Which one?
சரி,
The photo.
ஞாபகம் இல்லையா?
Even I don't remember now.
சரி, ஓகே. எனிவே அந்த ஃபோட்டோ வந்து பட் எனக்கு கொஸ்டின் என்னன்னா, உங்களுக்கு வந்து யார் ரொம்ப க்ளோஸ்? லைக் ரொம்ப அந்த பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபீல்ஸ் வந்து யார் மேலே அதிகமாக வருது? அனிருத் மேலேயா, லோகேஷ் மேலேயா, இல்லை விஜய் சார் கூடயா? அந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபீல்.
Friend feel actually Ramya.
Ramya? Oh, okay, okay.
We have a lot of scenes like together. In Master.
Okay.
And we have a lot of things in common. Ramya loves fitness. I like, you know, fitness. And you know, we like talking about healthy food. Have a lot of common hobbies, common interests.
Okay.
So every time we would have a scene together, you know, like we would talk till the last minute, and then Lokesh would be like, "Girls, action!" And then you would be like, "Okay, now time to act," you know. So yeah, I'm very close to. I got close to her at that point. Now I'm not in touch with her since a while. She'll kill me, but we got very close.
Close with her. And இப்போ உங்க டைரக்டர் பத்தி நீங்க சொல்லி ஆகணும். பிகாஸ் லோகேஷ் அவர் வந்து என்னன்னா ஃபுல்லா பாய்ஸ் ஹாஸ்டல் மாதிரி வந்து he was only with boys அப்படிதான் இருந்தது his lineup of movies. இப்போதான் கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா ஆண்ட்ரியா, ரம்யா, அப்புறமேட்டு மாளவிகா, இப்படி வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃபீமேல்ஸ் வந்து இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ how did he treat you and எப்படி உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து அந்த ஆக்டிங்கை வந்து வாங்கினாரு?
He first 20 days Lokesh was so shy. He was he would only come like, you know, I would perform, he would like just say exactly, you know, like okay, can you look in this angle, can you say this line like this, Malavika, you know, and he'll go back. After 20 days we started like talking more and getting to know each other.
Okay.
Otherwise he's always with his boys.
Illa? That's why I mentioned. Boy gang.
He's full time with his boys, he's never alone.
ஏன் கொஞ்சம் கூட தனியா பேச விட மாட்டாங்களா?
I keep teasing him. Even if you go to the bathroom, there'll be like 2 people accompanying you, you know.
பாத்ரூம்ல கூடயா?
No, that's a joke. It's a joke.
புரியுது. எஸ். அண்ட் இன்னொரு விஷயம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, யுவன் சங்கர் ராஜா வந்து பாடியிருப்பாரு அந்த கண்ணை பார்த்தாக்கா அப்படின்னு. ஏன்னா நாங்கள் உங்கள் 2 பேத்துக்கும் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அந்த பாட்டு தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் இல்லையா?
You'll have to translate this statement. I didn't understand.
No, I was talking about Yuvan Shankar Raja because he has sung this Anda Kanna Pathaka. So we assume that would be like your combination scenes or so. So how has that song has come out or anything of that sort?
It's come out really well. In fact, I was just like whenever somebody asks me what is the most memorable part of the movie shoot for you, I keep saying it's the song portion because we had a really nice, like we have really nice memories of the 3-4 days that we shot for it, you know.
And the song.
Yeah, song. It was a lot of fun.
Okay.
And like when you play that song on the speaker, no, very very loud, it's got such a nice mood. So like 2 days of full playing that song, we all got into this mood, you know. So
Okay.
it was very nice.
ஓகே கண்டிப்பா அந்த பாட்டு அப்புறம் வாத்தி ரைடு வாத்தி கம்மிங் இந்த மாதிரி எல்லா பாட்டுக்குமே ஒரு பயங்கர ஹைப் இருக்கு. அதுக்கடுத்து இன்னொரு முக்கியமான ஹைப் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா விஜய் சேதுபதி. ஸோ நீங்க கண்டிப்பா அந்த அட்மாஸ்பியரில் இருந்திருப்பீங்க. விஜய் சார் அண்ட் விஜய் சேதுபதி வந்து அந்த அந்த செட்டில் இருக்கும்போது ஹவ் வாஸ் த அட்மாஸ்பியர்? ரெண்டு பேருமே அப்படியே ஒன்றா இருந்துட்டு எப்படி இருந்தது அது?
So my character in the movie doesn't have combination scenes with Vijay Sethupathi sir.
Okay.
So but I heard from like everybody who worked on the film that all the scenes between them, all the fight sequences especially have come out crazy, you know. So I would keep hearing this from everybody.
Okay.
But unfortunately I didn't
காம்பினேஷன் இல்லை.
காம்பினேஷன் இல்லை.
இல்லை சரி, கொஞ்சமாவது தமிழ் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்களா? எந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து நீங்கள் ஏன்னா ஏடிஸ் கிட்டலாம் நாங்கள் பேசினோம், லோகேஷ் அவர்களுடைய அசிஸ்டன்ட் டிரெக்டர்ஸ் கிட்டலாம் வி ஹேட் அ கான்வர்சேஷன். ஸோ தே டோல்ட் அஸ் தட் Malavika doesn't know Tamil, but then we made her feel comfortable so that she feels like easy and chill.
That is true.
Illa?
That is true.
True.
Very, very true. In fact, the whole master, the full direction team was very like, and like most of them have become good friends of mine also, you know. They're all like, they made me so comfortable, they made me feel at home, and you know, and in fact I was learning dialogues in Tamil. I was constantly around people who were speaking Tamil, and I speak Malayalam at
Okay.
home, you know. So I understand a lot of words.
Okay.
So I was picking up Tamil like very very fast.
Okay. உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாவே வந்துருச்சு இல்லையா?
In fact, like right after Master, if the lockdown didn't happen, and if I'd done my next Tamil movie immediately, you know.
உடனே நடந்துருக்கும்.
Yeah. In like 4-5 months, I would have proper learned Tamil.
தமிழ் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா ஸ்லிப் ஆகுது இல்லையா?
I understand Tamil, like 70% I understand. So I'm still, you know,
in the mode.
Yeah, learning. I'm learning actually. I'm studying. I'm learning to speak fully because I love the language. Tamil, you know, I think it's a beautiful sounding language, and I'm a huge fan of Rahman sir. And I've grown up listening to so many of his nice Tamil songs that I find it a very romantic language. So I want to learn.
Okay. And நீங்க பேசும்போதே வந்து உங்க வாய்ஸ், இப்போ என் வாய்ஸ்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப கணீர்னு இருக்கு, ஆனா உங்க வாய்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப அப்படியே ஸ்மூத்தா மெலோவா இருக்கு. ஸோ இன்கேஸ் ஆமா இப்பெல்லாம் வந்து என்னன்னா ஹீரோயின்ஸ் ஒரு பாட்டு பாடினாலே அந்த படத்துக்கு வந்து அது ஒரு பூஸ்ட் மாதிரி. ஸோ ஹாவ் யூ எவர் ட்ரைட் சிங்கிங் மாஸ்டர் சாங்ஸ்? ஏதோ ஒரு பாத்ரூம் சிங்கிங் ஆவது நீங்க பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? வாத்தி ரைடு அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எதுவும் பாடியிருக்கீங்களா?
I can sing in a group where people can hear more voice and not just my voice.
Groupல டூப்.
Yeah, when the audio launch was happening and when Kutti Story, I think Ani was performing Kutti Story. Ani performed on stage, right? For Kutti Story. I sang the full song with him. I was sitting in the audience, I was shouting and singing the full song. I know every line of that song. So I was singing it with him.
அந்த பாட்டு வந்து இப்ப தமிழ்நாட்டுல எல்லாத்துக்குமே அதுதான் மோட்டிவேஷனல் சாங். காலைல எந்திரச்சோனே everyone are listening to that motivational song for positive vibes.
It's a good song to listen to, especially in the COVID times, no? To get motivation and everyone's feeling down.
Okay. உங்ககிட்ட இப்ப மாஸ்டர்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம் இருக்கட்டும், what kind of a person are you? Like, let's get to know more about Malavika. Like, உங்க vibe என்ன? எந்த people கூட நீங்க chill பண்ணுவீங்க? And you are alone in Mumbai, so you got a boyfriend. So அத பத்தி சொல்லுங்க.
So I'm from Bombay. Okay. I've grown up in Mumbai itself, school, college, everything. My parents are from Kerala, so we're Malayalis. So even though I'm a Bombay girl, the moment I come back to my house, it's like one mini Kerala, you know. We have dosha, idli for appam for breakfast every day, sambar rice for dinner, and or you know, pakka Malayali. We speak Malayalam at home. It's a pakka Malayali household. So I've grown up very rooted to the South Indian culture. I live with my family. I don't live alone. I like living with my family. I like, you know, I like going home to Amma and my brother. I think if I lived alone, no, it's very depressing.
Okay.
So I like that. And
அந்த கடைசி क्वेश्चनோட நான் கேட்டேனே, அந்த பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட் क्वेश्चन நான் கேட்டேனே, அத பத்தி ஒண்ணு சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களே?
What is the question exactly?
You got boyfriend. ஏன்னா இப்ப தமிழ்நாட்டு boys will love this question. Malavika is single or committed or in a complex relationship? அதெல்லாம் essential for boys, you know.
They can guess.
Guess what?
Whatever.
என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்க?
No, my amma will kill me if I answer these kind of questions.
அப்போ ஏதோ ஒண்ணு இருக்கு, அப்படிதானே? இந்த படத்துல வந்து உங்களுக்கு எது ரொம்ப டஃபஸ்ட் சீனா இருந்தது இல்லாட்டி எது ரொம்ப டஃபஸ்ட் டயலாகா இருந்தது அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் இருக்கா?
There is a really important scene that I have with Vijay sir. I can't tell you more about the scene because like that will give away the story. But that was a very very even dialogue wise it was like 2-page full of dialogues for me, and you know Vijay sir mostly had reactions.
Okay.
So he had like one word I had like one paragraph.
Okay.
To, you know, big paragraphs. So that was a difficult scene for me because it's a very crucial scene in the film.
Okay.
So it had to be done right. Emotionally heavy scene.
Heavy scene. Okay.
Dialogue heavy scene. And all of this, Lokesh made me do that scene on the first day of my shoot.
முதல் நாள்லயேவா? எடுத்தோடே பெரிய டயலாகா?
I even till date I tell him, Lokesh, you gave me the most difficult scene for day one of my shoot.
Okay.
Why would you do that? And he's like, but Malavika, we only had, you know, we had that location only for that day, so we had to do it.
Okay. So அப்படிலாம் சொன்னதனால நீங்களும் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
Yeah, I mean, but at the end of the day, like, no matter what it is, you have to give your 100%.
100%. Okay.
You know, so
உங்களுக்கு லோகேஷ் சொன்ன ஒரு பெஸ்ட் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் அண்ட் உங்க கூட ஒர்க் பண்ண விஜய் சார் சொன்ன ஒரு பெஸ்ட் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்னா என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க?
I think the best compliment Lokesh has given me is that he said that he wants to work with me again.
அடடடடா.
For an actor, that is the best compliment, no?
Nice.
Because only if somebody likes your work, will they want to work with you again?
Exactly.
Otherwise, people can chumma be fake and say nice things, you know, even if they don't like you, and you know.
ஆமா, இந்த வேர்ட் they will not give immediately. If they give, then it matters.
Yeah.
So he said that he wants to work with you.
He said we'll,
Okay.
He's said that, you know, we'll work together on another project.
Super.
So, and I really enjoy working with him and his team, so I'm very excited.
And from Vijay sir, அந்த வேற லெவல்ல தாண்டி வேற என்ன சொன்னாரு? What did he say apart from வேற level? Compliment.
He said that I have a very very promising future in the industry.
Okay.
Especially in the Tamil film industry. He said I have a very promising future. And yeah,
I think that worked.
that is very important. I mean, it's so nice to hear that from somebody like him, who's seen so many actors, who's worked with so many people. And I mean, it's very, you know, it's like it boosts your self-confidence. It makes you believe in yourself more when you hear that from somebody, you know, of his level.
நைஸ். அண்ட் நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரியே வந்து என்னன்னா அடுத்து உங்களுடைய ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து விஜய் சேதுபதி அவர்கள் கூட ஹிந்தியில் ஒரு வெப் சீரிஸாக இருக்க போகுது இல்லையா? So how excited?
No, that project is not confirmed.
It's not confirmed.
It's not confirmed. There were talks going on.
Okay.
But there are like lot of date issues. I'm committed to like 2 other projects. Also. So we're still figuring out. Nothing is confirmed. No.
சூப்பர். ஆனா நீங்க ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே தனுஷ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க. ஐ விஷ் சம்ஒன் நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரு ஃபிலிம்ல கேஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்களா அப்படின்னு நீங்க ட்வீட் போட்டோன்னே அடுத்த நாள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா D43ல நீங்க இருக்கிறீங்க. வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? ட்வீட் போட்ட உடனே நியூஸ்ல வந்து நீங்க இருக்கிறீங்க. இது எப்படி நடந்தது இந்த மேஜிக்?
So when I tweeted that, that time I had not signed D43.
D43.
I had Chumma tweeted that because I think he is one of the most amazing actors in India right now, and I really wanted. Now I am working with him, but at that point I really wanted to work with him, and this Karthik Narayan project, it had come to me in January.
Okay.
The Dhanush sir project that I'm doing right now. So it was offered to me in January. But at that time, the dates that they wanted were clashing with another project that I'm already committed to.
Okay.
So at that time, I had said I would love to do the project, but I don't think the dates will, you know, like work out. And then because of the pandemic, my other project got moved to April. And that time they asked again, you know, like, and I was free. So I was like, okay, I mean, of course, I would love to do the project, you know, now that I have dates.
Super.
So it's like I was, you know, destined to
work on
this project.
Time, it's all about the time, I guess, and it's all about your performance, your acting, everything. So Tamil cinema will never leave you. Like, you have a good lineup with Vijay sir, with Dhanush sir, everything. So is there anything that you want to tell to the audience for Master, for this occupancy in theatre? What is that you're going to give?
What I want to say is that we really enjoyed, like the whole team, we really enjoyed making Master, and we've had so much fun while making it, and we truly believe in the film. It's a full-on mass film. But it's a really well-made mass film, and there is something in it for everybody. There is action. There are like these fast-paced car sequences. There is a little bit of love. There is drama. There is like college fun, amazing songs. So it's a film, you know, you can go watch with your family. But please be safe. Please wear a mask at all times, and please follow the, you know, safety protocols. Use a sanitizer frequently. Don't take off your mask in the theater to scream. Just use your hands, clap or something, because everybody wants to
Puridu.
scream, no, when they see Vijay sir.
You should have
So-
seen all the first day shows. That's my last question. You please continue.
Yeah, so I'm done. You know, be safe.
Be safe. So நீங்க எங்க போய் FDFS பார்க்க போறீங்க? தளபதி அப்படினு எங்க போய் கத்த போறீங்க?
I'm going with the team of
Okay.
Master Chennai only. I'm
Chennai
watching
only.
first day first show in Chennai. We're all excited. We are waiting to celebrate more than the people. You know, we are like a group of college students who have made a project. You know, group project and the project, and we're excited for the project to come out. We're
Finally.
sitting like that for the film to release.
Super. So I wish all success. Everything will be positive for you. Spread positive vibes, and Galata wishes you all success. Thank you so much.
much.